little seedlings that I put into containers, and came across a couple that have like pushed through after they have like been stuck in the ground for almost 2 months now. And so I just wanted to share with you that I love nature, and I want to love her and nourish her and heal her and all the things. And she brings me so much joy to be in, but also take lessons from.